This natural ginger and garlic remedy is an ancient trick people have used to lower their blood pressure and bad cholesterol levels. These ingredients are special because of their anti-inflammatory, purifying and vasodilatory power. Once your body absorbs them, they make it easier to take control over these conditions. This isn't a miracle cure, but it is a great help for anyone who has been diagnosed with these problems. The benefits of ginger. The main benefits of ginger for fighting high blood pressure and cholesterol come from a substance called gingerol. This substance gives ginger its signature spicy taste. It also acts as a natural anti-inflammatory agent, which makes it so good for relieving circulatory problems. Its detoxifying properties promote blood cleansing, and as a result help get rid of built-up plaque on the arterial walls. It also has a slight diuretic effect that helps to eliminate the fluid retained in certain tissues. It regulates mineral salts and makes it easier to control of high blood pressure. The benefits of garlic. People have known garlic as one of the best foods for heart health for centuries. This is because of its high concentration of a sulfurous compound called allicin. This substance, also found in onions, has anti-inflammatory, anticoagulant and vasodilating properties. All these are big parts of regulating blood pressure and preventing cholesterol buildup. Its detoxifying powers enhance the body's blood filtering processes. This helps reduce the buildup of toxins and other harmful particles that travel through the bloodstream. Garlic also contains a lot of vitamins and minerals that strengthen the heart and arteries. How to prepare the homemade ginger and garlic remedy. To enhance the properties of ginger and garlic, this remedy also uses apple cider vinegar, lemon and honey. Together all these ingredients create a powerful natural remedy that prevents an endless number of diseases if taken on a regular basis. This remedy helps improve heart health, it also strengthens the immune system and improves lung health. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon of grated ginger, 1 garlic clove, 1/2 cup of lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of honey, 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. Pour the lemon juice into a glass jar, and then add the grated ginger and crushed garlic clove. Stir everything together with a wooden utensil, and add honey and apple cider vinegar. Seal the remedy well and leave it for 24 hours. Shake it several times so that all of its ingredients mix well together. After 24 hours, take a spoonful on an empty stomach, and repeat this before each major meal. Store the remaining liquid in the refrigerator and take it daily. It doesn't have immediate effects, but you will start to feel better in a matter of days. In order to achieve positive results with this treatment, you have to improve your eating habits and exercise regularly. Combining all these factors is the most effective way to deal with these problems, before any other problems arise. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Subscribe to the channel if you want more recipes and tips.